Alright, today's date it is 13th of January 2020 and I received my RC airplane from Nifty Zoo, supposedly. And this is the package, like a document before opening it. There it is. Intact, sealed. Well, should have opened a little bit here actually. Scratched open here, but I have not had the package out. And I'm filming this because I have a feeling they have not sent me the right item since it took them so long time to send it, and I have to involve PayPal and everything. So let's see, before it gets opened up, what's in here. So, intact, sealed packet, but except from a small ripped hole. So, let's cut it open and see if they set the right item, or they're trying to fake it. Sorry for being suspicious, but I got a feeling they haven't sent me the right item. Here we go. Alright, exciting. Yes. The Minator. Alright. And my suspicion was correct. This is not what I ordered. I ordered the 3.0 Falcon. Let's take a look inside him. If I am correct. Here we come. There it is. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. Yep. This is not what I ordered. Not even close. Here it is inside. All things appears to be here. The controller is definitely not the one that was depicted in the video. And the airplane that I bought is a single engine. This one is dual engine. And this one looks like it can be destructible. So here it is, what they have sent me. And that is not what I ordered. And not even same size either too, like way, way smaller.